Benidorm, 4:30 p.m. Monday. Quite calm actually. It is around 24 degrees, so nice and warm. No clouds on the sky or anything. Gonna start here near Mariano's and Silver Dollar, and then gonna head my way through the Mediterráneo a little bit before I end up at Levante Beach. Check out how many people are sunbathing. Think a bit more than we can see on the terrace here today at the bars. Absolutely gorgeous weather out, and it's here to stay. It looks like forecast looks like it'll be around this type of weather, 23, 24 degrees for at least the upcoming week. Quite some people at the pool over here, especially if you compare it. It's really calm in Benidorm right now. Right down here opposite the Flash Hotel and the Sol Pelicanos, they're all at work at something new. Let me show you guys. We got some food trucks coming, looks like. I think its target will be mainly the nightlife right around here. Really strange seeing this. It was an empty plot, so glad it's getting filled with something at least. Let me know what you think of it, of this location right down here. Is it something that's gonna work? Maybe not, who knows? And as well, please do give the video a like, really helps it on YouTube. Thank you for that. We're at the Mediterráneo. And head downwards towards the left, a little bit down there, and then take a side street towards the beach. Oh yeah, by the way, this opened up over here. At least it's not a supermarket, but something different for Benidorm, yeah. I believe there was one of those all the way back there on the Mediterranean as well. Now one on this end. Hola. I think there's a new burger shop coming over here. Psycho. Burgers are really popular the last few years here in Benidorm, constantly growing with popularity, and I think this location, it is quite a bit hidden, but good surprises. If quality is really good, could work out really well then. Really calm down this side. I think I'm going towards that direction, then towards Gabby's. Then take a left from there on towards the beach. I think this is one of the highlight spots where they all make drinks from the beach. Don't get them, guys. Always heading towards the supermarket or a real bar. Much better than something made in a back alley.
So it's Christmas. Every minute, walk this way every minute. Ah, yeah, I saw, but that's it.
Absolutely marvelous day again, but as you can see right up here, it's not crowded or anything, not busy even. Yeah, there are quite a few people, but it has been so much busier. I love these calm days before the real peak season is starting over here. Let's head towards the left and then see a little bit down there, the bar's in the back. Get a nice view from the skyline of Benidorm. And on my walk towards there, let's have a look at some bars. Like the one here on the left, got Soul Beach. $2.50 for a pint during happy hour.
Podemos mirar.
Aquí hay menos rocas.
Sí, no, quien
Allá
tiene
tienen
perro está.
muchas rocas.
Quien tiene perro está. Tiene que tener.
Bars down here on my left are doing quite well. It looks really busy down there. Few people in the ocean, they're really brave. Temperature of the seawater is around 16 degrees, just looked it up. That's still really cold. In the summer it's going to be around 25. That's much warmer. But yeah man, I love these days like these. Quiet, calm, not too hot with 24 degrees. Beautiful out today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, then please do give it a like and do subscribe if you aren't yet and want to see more of Benidorm. Thank you.